Hi guys, I have another opportunity yet again. So Carnival Cruise Line is having interviews in Harare, Zimbabwe on 8th and 10th of June 2023. So they're saying hiring 500 crew members from Zimbabwe. So the best cruise line company in cooperation with Kouzon, Zimbabwe announces active recruitment for the following positions: all culinary positions: housekeeping attendant, assistant server, bar server, assistant butcher, assistant storekeeper. So if you're qualified for the above mentioned, you should follow the steps or watch this video. Send your CV in the address that they have selected down there. So attend the pre-screening interview with our recruiters from Nairobi or Kouzon talent recruiters. So you should prepare yourself for the face-to-face interview with Carnival HR manager. So guys, remember to have a good CV that will be able to stand out. And if you need a CV, just contact me on the description box. I'll be able to sort you out. So guys, this is another opportunity. You need to grab it. You need to do this, guys. I'm always here giving you good opportunities that will be able to benefit you to move abroad. So bringing you more content. Share this content with your family and friends, and subscribe to my channel, the Worlds Apart channel. See you then.